Okay, folks, Brian here from North Wind Garage. You haven't seen a few videos from me in a while because I've been teaching my daughter how to drive. She's driving right now. We've been busy doing family things, so the channel's been kind of taking a back seat. Hope you understand. Stay tuned. There'll be more videos on this.
So, my peoples. So far, we've passed Otter Creek, where Dad has been many times. Right now, we're going to Tidmouth Pond, if we can possibly look at it, because it's owned by a bunch of peoples. We're on the road, traveling, as always. Stop sign ahead. Keep on going straight.
Yep. Aren't you going to say nothing about you have a tendency to scare your dad?
Well, actually, I haven't scared you all that much this time.
Not this time.
This time, I'm doing good.
You are doing very well. You like driving with your dad?
Yes.
How long you been driving, Naomi?
About 2 months. 2.5 months.
How long did it take? How many times did it take you to pass your test?
Once.
You passed the test the first time.
Yes.
That a girl. That's my girl. Is this car easy to drive?
Yes. In some cases it's not, but most of the time, yes.
Okay. Perfect. You want to slow down up here. Okay, so I'm going to be taking a left up here in a little bit. Okay, see that left right there?
Yes.
Up here, coming up here on the left. Just beyond that 45-mile-an-hour speed limit. So I'm going to take a left right there where those green signs are. You want to slow right down. I'll slow right down. Atta girl. You got it. You got it. Look at you go. Okay.
Which way? Straight?
Yeah, you gotta go there left. Dimmitt Pond. That's what the sign says. Okay, so somebody's ice fishing out there. I see somebody running to get their tip up out there. Way out there. You can hear somebody talking out there. You want to try to drive out here a little bit? This camp used to be for sale over here. So go slow on this. You're gonna have to go really slow. That says for sale. That camp is still for sale.
Yeah.
Okay, folks. All work, no play, is no fun. So, peace out, North Wind Garage.